Hey everyone, this is in response to a recent blog post on care2.com by another user, not by myself, about alone time. Um, and here's my response to that. This loneliness, it isn't so bad. Personally, I am a little bit scarred and scared, and I dislike much of humanity, but I do realize that there are many beautiful and amazing things about humanity, and I don't have agoraphobia. I love the outdoors. I just hate crowds. I enjoy the company of friends and family a lot, but I can totally relate at times to you and often feel as much, if not more sometimes, enjoyment from being myself and doing the things that I enjoy to do. But then I feel guilty about being lazy or selfish, even though I love quality alone time. I'll be honest, I love my family and friends and couldn't do without their love, but at times I can definitely relate to your sentiments. Alright, peace guys. See you later.